Di ko alam na rin. Magsistay na pala dito sa stage.
Wala ka magagalit sa inyo?
Hindi ko nga alam ba't ako pinapunta dito eh.
Baka may nagagalit ka.
Ha?
Wala ka magagalit?
Wala. Ewan ko sa kanya. Ako, okay lang ako. Wala dito. Wala naman dito.
But you know, sa totoo lang si Chan had a show last night in Naga. And when we had rehearsals, kanina mga alas 3 ng hapon, dumiretso na po siya dito. Hindi pa nakakawin ng bahay yun.
Halata ba? But, you know, I'm so grateful to be part of this. This is your first time
After 20
years. 20 years. And so fourth generation po ako. Fourth generation. Huh? Yeah, fourth. And then...
we were supposed to be together, remember? But you left us.
May solo ka pa yung
solo ka naman. Okay naman. Because you ended up, we're gonna now.
Ma'am Edith, thank you so much for providing my test.
Alina, are you
listening?
Yes.
You know, Alina has a new song out there on the airwaves right now, and she wasn't able to sing it today kasi hindi na natin nahapon, no? But, you know, it's out there. You want to talk about it? It's your new song?
It's called Dapat Ba Akong Mangarap, composed by no other than Mr. Ray Valera.
Uy.
Can I tell them something about my experience with you?
Go ahead.
I came from the fifth generation Numen Sus in 1988.
Wow! Tagal na muna.
5 years old lang kasi ako, no? And there were a lot of firsts when I joined them. First singing experience, first daughter, nanganak ako noon at 16 ako noon. And then, hindi naman ako singing. I kept singing with this group and I just loved each and every one of them. And then after a few years, nag-record po ako ng dalawang novelty songs na hindi masyadong minstrels. It's called, ano nga yun?
Sample? Lead sample ba?
Uy! Hindi naman minstrels. At saka yung pasong-pasong pagkabasa. Hindi ba yung minstrels? So yun na po. Thank you. It's great to be here. Thank you, my manager, Miss Lisa and Dog, and of course, thank you.
Thank you so much. How about we get, of course, to our very special guest, Chan! Batiin ko lang.
Wala si Nancy.
Batiin ko lang si Miss Alice Susano. Hello. And of course, my ate baby over there. Ay, asan si Umalis?
Ako pinaiwan din ako si Cha and family. Hello, welcome.
I'll greet my family later.
Ano na?